How you doing, guys? Chris here. Well, DARPA made the news today in their research into living drones. Engineers have been working for decades to miniaturize the technology to get a drone this small and have the same flight performance and battery life of that of a real insect. The closest they've come is to the military version of the Black Hornet drone. With its small weight and 15-minute flight time, even NASA's Ingenuity crew was paying attention. But still, nothing outperforms a living insect. Research started decades ago with just crawling insects. With these large-scale radio controllers, they just had basic functionality of left and right. Scientists and engineers were eager to move on, and with the miniaturization of flight controllers, they were now able to do front, back, left, and right control of a flying insect. As you see here in this decades-old video, scientists are perfecting the hertz and frequency at which to operate the drone at. With the current advancements in technology, these controllers, equipped with both video transmitters and remotes, are so small you could put them on a dime. They have little effect on the insect's overall flight characteristics, and as you can see, the insect is easily controlled left, right, straight, and back. As impressive as this is, scientists will still continue to develop the small-scale robotic insects. The future is bright and getting smaller. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.